Yeah, we will. Talk to you later. Okay, bye.
So coming down the hall, there's the utility room and that little side room. And then coming down the hall this way, you come down to some closets. And then here is the first bathroom. And then here is the first bedroom. You can kind of see what the outside view would be like in terms of the common area. And then you've got your closets, and this is the master bathroom. The nice vanity here, the toilet, and the shower. And then we'll come over here to the second bedroom. Give you a sense of the views. Now this is the outside porch, which as you can see is very close to, that's actually your neighbor's porch. And then you can see your porch right there. So these two houses are very close together, and I'm not sure if that would be an issue. But, and then once again your common area back there. And then your closets in the second bedroom, wall of closets, and the bathroom, and so this would be the long hallway view to the outside if you go that way, and then again the kitchen. With your door to the outside, and your porch, and your neighbor's porch, little sitting area outside. So that other house you're seeing is the house we were just in, that is also available. And then again, this is the great room and the dining area, and then walking towards this sunroom, which is nice and very bright and filled with light, and then that takes you back to your front door. And so this is the thing we're concerned about. This is what you see when you walk in, is the long hallway, and it's a lot of hallway. It's a nice wide hallway. It would work for wheelchairs. And this is a really, like I said, a really nice little sunroom. It just is kind of a little bit broken up in terms of the space. So the interesting question would be whether this great room space is really, at least in this room, that different than the size of the great room in that other house that you were looking at. So that was the first one that we saw, and there's Barb checking out the attic and coming down the stairs. So that's the tour of this house, and we'll be sending you this very soon.